10. Japan. Japan's rising sun flag became a symbol of imperial expansion during World War II. Under this banner, military campaigns across Asia led to events like the Nanjing Massacre and widespread suffering. While today it represents peace and national identity, its wartime legacy remains controversial in parts of Asia. 9. Belgium. Belgium's flag is linked to one of the harshest colonial regimes in history. Under King Leopold II's rule in the Congo Free State, millions died from forced labor and brutal exploitation. This colonial past remains a dark chapter in Belgian history. 8. Portugal. Portugal built one of the earliest global empires and played a major role in the transatlantic slave trade. Under its flag, millions of Africans were enslaved and transported across the world. Its maritime achievements are significant, but its imperial history includes deep human suffering. 7. Turkey. During the final years of the Ottoman Empire, mass killings and deportations of Armenians occurred between 1915 to 1917. Historians widely recognize this as the Armenian Genocide. Although modern Turkey was founded later, the historical debate continues to impact its global relations. 6. Spain. Spain's empire spread across the Americas, where conquest and forced labor systems devastated indigenous populations. Later, under Francisco Franco's dictatorship, Spain experienced decades of authoritarian rule. The modern flag now represents a democratic nation shaped by a complex past. 5. United Kingdom. The Union Jack flew over the largest empire in history, controlling vast territories worldwide. Colonial rule contributed to famines, economic exploitation, and violent independence struggles. Its global influence is undeniable, but so is the suffering tied to its imperial era. 4. France. France's tricolor stands for liberty and equality, yet its colonial empire involved violent conflicts, especially during Algeria's war for independence. Harsh tactics and civilian casualties marked this period. The country today promotes democratic values while reflecting on its colonial past. 3. United States. The American flag symbolizes freedom, but its history includes slavery, segregation, and the displacement of Native American tribes. The Civil War and civil rights movements reshaped the nation. Its flag represents both progress and the struggles that defined it. 2. Germany. Although modern Germany's flag represents democracy, the Nazi regime once used a different banner during World War II. Under Adolf Hitler's rule, the Holocaust and global war caused unimaginable devastation. Today, Germany actively confronts and educates about this dark chapter. 1. Soviet Union. The Soviet Union's red flag symbolized communist power, but under leaders like Joseph Stalin, millions died due to purges, forced labor camps, and famine. The regime maintained strict political control during the Cold War. Though dissolved in 1991, its historical impact remains profound.